So you cook a deliciously tender chicken breast, and you have some left, and you put in the refrigerator. And remember, if you want to know how to cook it so it's tender, check the link in the description because it's going to show you how to do so. So let's say it's in the refrigerator for a day or two. You take it out of the refrigerator, that's number one, and leave it outside for about maybe 20, 30 minutes so it reaches room temperature. That's very critical because you want the heat transfer to, to cook things smoothly. That way nothing is cold in the inside. You don't have that coolness that's going to stop the heating process. The second thing is you're going to get a pan, and could be cast iron, could be any kind you want, and you're going to reheat this at high heat, and you're going to use vinegar. Could be white vinegar, could be apple cider vinegar, doesn't matter. You make sure it gets hot, and then you start reheating the chicken breast by putting the chicken breast there. That's not going to take a long time. Just make sure you flip it and you move it around until it reaches the temperature that you want. It's that simple. Let me show you something. See, let me put the vinegar here a little bit again. This is ready, but I want to show you something. I want to show you how this thing is going to absorb the vinegar. See? But the taste is not going to transfer. It's getting the juices and making sure everything stays tender. See?